day. Welcome to our video on how to use an oscilloscope. But before that, let us define to you what is oscilloscope.
What is an oscilloscope? An oscilloscope is an essential electronic testing instrument that creates a visual, two-dimensional graph of electrical signals. It typically plots voltage against time to show how a signal changes, acting as the eyes of the electronics world to visualize rapidly changing waveforms. A probe is a device that conveys a signal to be measured from the test circuit to your oscilloscope. We will set the attenuation to 10x the standard for most measurements to minimize circuit loading.
Oscilloscope function diagram.
Make sure to turn on the oscilloscope and connect the probe to the input. Ensure the storage button is active. Then use the selection knob to navigate to the waveform menu. Press the first blue button to align the waveform, then rotate the knob to find and select the factory setting to reset the storage. Connect the passive probe tip to the signal output and the ground clip to the ground. Using channel 1, you can use the vertical system to control the voltage scale, allowing you to individually adjust the vertical position and volts, div. Next, the horizontal system controls the time scale on the screen using two knobs, position and sec, div. After setting up channel 1, we move to the analog experimenter to measure an AC voltage supply. Connect the probe tip to the voltage source and the ground clip to the ground, then press the auto stop button. Finally, click measure and use the knob to select both frequency and period to view your running waveform.